Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into worlds of no-code AI tools in 2025 and comparing few powerful platforms like Langflow, Flowise, Dify AI, Vectorshift, and Voiceflow. Whether you are a developer, a startup founder, or just curious about building AI tools without touching too much code, this one is for you. Let's find out which tool is the right fit for you and what tool does exactly. So, first of all, let's talk about Langflow. If you see Langflow is an open source drag and drop platform built to help you to build complex AI workflows in a quick. Think of it like Flowise, a younger sibling, but with the focus on accessibility. Now, it is best for team who wants to prototype AI apps in a faster way, especially if you are not a super technical but still want power under the hood. So, first of all, let's discuss some key feature of Langflow. First, let's talk about the features. For example, this is the first feature of Langflow, which is visual editor. So what does it mean? Langflow and Flowise both come with a visual editor that lets you to build complex AI workflow using simple drag and drop feature. And the second feature will be a customer component support, which mean by need something specific. These platforms let you to build custom components, whether it is a unique prompt or third-party API calls or a special function. These features give your developers that power to expand what's possible, tailoring the platform to meet unique needs that pre-built blocks might not cover. So the third feature which we are talking about, which is ideal for rapid AI app development. If you're in a hurry to get from idea to prototype, this tool are a lifesaver. They streamline the development process with the ready-made tools, reusable components, and easy testing, helping both technical and non-technical teams building platform AI apps faster than ever. But downside is you will still need a basic understanding of AI workflow to get the most of it. So that's it for Langflow, and let's talk about Flowise. If you talk about Flowise, the tool that many developers absolutely love, it is built on LangChain, fully open source, and it can give you a deep control over your workflow. So Flowise is those who want to full customization. So if you talk about the feature, so it will give you the first feature, which is real-time testing, which means instantly test and debug your workflow as you build them. See live output, track data flow, and make adjustment on the go without delay. Now the second feature will be extensive API connector. So what it does is easily integrate with the hundreds of popular services using built-in API connector from database to third-party tools. You can connect your stack effortlessly. And the third feature will be local hosting. Hosting your project securely on your own infrastructure, you can enjoy full control and better performance and enhanced privacy with local development option. Now, if you talk about the fourth feature of this Flowise, which will be a visual workflow editor. Now, you can design complex logical visually without drag and drop interface. You can build and organize and manage workflow without writing a code. So it is not a beginner friendly, but if you are a technical user who loves tinkering, it is a dream tool. Now, in the third section, we got Vectorshift. This is one is a bit different. Instead of chatbot or workflow builder, Vectorshift focused on semantic search and vector-based data processing. So it shines when you are dealing with massive data sets, trying to build search engines and recommendation systems. Now, if you talk about the feature of vector shift, first feature will be vector database. So what is it? So you can store and search high dimension data like embedding with blazing speed, idea for AI applications such as semantic search, recommendation engine, and similarity machine. So you can store and search that data. The second feature will be AI powered personalized search, which means deliver smarter, more relevant search result using AI, tailored response based on your user behavior and context and intent for a truly personalized experience. The third one is external database connection and seamlessly connect your extension existing SQL, NoSQL or cloud database. Now you can fetch query and update database in real time from external sources. Now the fourth feature is Python scripting support. You can run custom logic and automation with built-in Python scripting, perfect for data processing and custom integration and AI model interaction. So, but head up, it is a good step learning curve and it is a better suited for technical team who work with unstructured data. Now, let's talk about Dify. Think of Dify as a bridge between development and deployment. It is a build for businesses that need to launch AI app quickly with minimal step. So, if you talk about their feature, so first feature is a built-in UI. You don't need to design anything from scratch. The platform comes with a ready-made user interface that you can use immediately like button, form and menu so you can focus on your project instead of UI design. And the second feature is real-time prompt engineering. So you can tweak and test prompt instruction for AI on the fly and instantly see how the AI responds. It is perfect for finding the best way to get accurate or creative answers without constantly refreshing or restarting. The third feature is seamless embedding and storage. So, what is this? You can easily add this tool into your website or app, and it will also store your data like user input or AI result without needing complicated setup. It works smoothly with your existing system. Now, let's talk about the Switch style editor. So this stand for what you see is what you get. This is type of editor lets you build or edit content visually, just like editing a Word document without writing a code. Great for non-tech user, best for companies needing production ready to AI apps, from customer support to content generation, but it is less flexible than tools like Langflow if you need very custom stuff. So let's talk about Voiceflow. So this is one is the specialist in voice first AI app. If you are building for Alexa, Google Assistant or want your AI to respond via voice, this is the go-to tool. If you talk about the feature of this, the feature of Voiceflow is drag and drop conversation builder. So what does it mean? So you can easily design chatbot conversation using visual interface. Just drag and drop and connect blocks. No coding needed, perfect for building flows quickly and clearly. The second is multi-channel support with voice plus text. So reach user on multiple platform. Your bot can talk in a voice and text on a different app like websites, WhatsApp and voice assistant like Alexa or Google Assistant. Now, the third feature is third-party API integration, which you can connect your bot to other tools or database using APIs. For example, show live weather, check orders, or send data to Google Sheet all. Now, the fourth feature is built-in testing analytics, which you can test your bot before launching to fix issues and track how user interacts with it. See what works and what doesn't with easy to use analytics. Great for customer service bots, IVR system or voice UX. However, it is not ideal for general AI workflow like the other tools. So